Hello, all you beautiful people. My name is Steele, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly clean a mechanical keyboard. This one's kind of dirty at the moment, as you can see looking in there. Yeah. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to do some of these, and then I'll stop the recording and come back. So, yeah. So what you're going to need is like a plastic pry tool like this. So you're going to want to just grab it like that, just either wiggle it off or just pull it off like that. And then I recommend putting them on the ground in the order that they were on there. So for example, I'll get the arrow keys off and I'll show you what I mean. That. So I'll have like all my keys laid out there. You can either do that or just take a picture of it. And then so you're gonna take all of them off except for you're gonna take you're gonna take all of them off except shift, caps lock, space, right shift, enter, and backspace. I'll show you those later. And 0, and numpad 0, numpad enter, numpad plus, and I think that's it. But yeah. For me, it'll be about a half an hour till I see you guys again. For you guys, be fraction of a second. Oh right, I forgot how. Hang on. Forgot how to show you how to take off the inside keys. You either stick your pry tool in there. It's a lot easier to do with two hands. Push down one of the keys. Put your pry tool in there, and just very, very carefully pry it out. And then, boom. Yeah, you can either lay out your keys like I did there, or you could just what am I trying to say? Or you could lay them out. Taking a picture I feel like would be a little bit more effective, but this works too. So I'll see you guys in a half an hour. You'll see me in a fraction of a second. Alright, so now that you have all your keys taken off, I actually, let's move my cable here. I actually found out that the only keys you have to leave on are both shift keys, the space, and enter. So for space, what you're going to want to do, slowly just wiggle it off. Be really, really careful with this one, because you'll see with this one there's actually a metal bar down in there that helps it pop back up. So you're going to want to, here, I'm going to actually prop this up with my foot so I can use both hands. It works. Crap. Doesn't work too well. Yes, hold the phone with the feet. Do it. Yes, it works. Sorry if my feet are in the frame. So yeah, there we go. Perfect. There we go. You want to very carefully just... you gotta have good angle on it. You can see that, right? I hope so. I thought my frame was cracked for a second. It's not. We're good. I'll show you for a shift. Hi.
Are you talking to them?
No.
Who is he talking to?
Okay, yeah, so I figured out with the shift keys you can just very, very delicately pull them off. Can you see that? I think you can. Very, very delicately. The bar's down in there. Yeah, you're gonna be... if you just do it carefully, you're fine. And then the enter key, again, carefully pull it out. put it up with the rest of the keys, and then the space bar is the last one. This one's the most fragile key out of all of yours. Out of all of the ones on the entire keyboard, the space bar is the most fragile. There's a cat right there. I think you can see him. Is that on the bar? I can't even tell. Let me pull it off. Crap, don't do what I'm doing. I feel like I'm gonna break this. It's definitely grabbing that bar. Okay. Gotta get it off of that. Oh, I felt it. Crap, I don't even know what I'm doing. Alright, I'm gonna pause this. I'll be right back. So I can't figure out how to get off the space bar on this particular keyboard, but if you know how, tell me in the comments down below. I want to know. I really can't figure it out. But yeah, once you have it all disassembled and lined up like I do, this took me about 15 to 30 minutes. It wasn't too bad. Can wipe it down. Mine's not too dirty. I'm still gonna wipe it down though. That's fine. Not too dirty. So for putting them back on, you're just gonna grab the key, make sure you have it aligned right, and just snap it back into place. Just press it down, you're good. Alright, I'll see you guys again when I get to reattaching the big keys that we took off last. Alright, so I made a little bit of progress before realizing I should probably do the big keys now. So shift key is a bit bigger. You're just gonna want to pick it up, tilt it upside down so you get these bars right here to come out, and then once you get the bars out, hope you can see that. Now you definitely can't. Oh, there you go, you can see that. Once you get the bars out, line up, that's upside down, line up the key with the bar. I'm aware that this keyboard's a little bit different than other ones. Just slide it on top like that, just rest it on top right like that. Set it down. Go to the back. And then you just press it down. Don't do that. I realize, I think another way, I think this is a little bit more of a risky way to do it. But, I mean, if you want to do it, it's your keyboard. That's how I do it. Is just put it on there. Don't even bother with the picking it up part. Please don't mix that up. No. No. Just put it back into place. Alright, I'll see you guys again when I'm finished. It's gonna take a while. Don't. Alright, so now we've got all the keys back on. You can and probably should just press them all down with quite a bit of force to just make sure they're all on there. Gotta make sure you didn't mess it up at all. I recommend checking it to a picture. Checking the keys to a picture of the keyboard, just to make sure your keyboard to a picture of it, to make sure you didn't put anything on right, or make sure you put everything on right. But yeah, I think that'll do it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to let me know by leaving a like. And subscribing for more, sharing it with your friends. And yeah, see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.